Hello learners! I am teacher Eleanor from Chofila Z. Rivero Memorial Elementary School, SDO Antipolo City. Week 1, Melt number 1. Topic: Parallel lines, intersecting lines, and perpendicular lines. Learning competencies describes and illustrate parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. Do you know that? There are many geometrical figures around us. Wherever you look up, you can see different pairs of lines. From the window blinds, tabletop, can you see that line? Door, and even curtains. These lines have special relationship and properties. Let's have overview. Two lines can be related to each other in different ways. Parallel lines are lines in a plane that are always the same distance apart. The lines do not intersect. Look at that. And also parallel lines, we can relate it to two objects. Look at the bench. Can you see that line? One also is another intersecting lines are lines which intersect at a common point. Also, intersecting lines are lines that are example of acute angle because the degree are less than 90 degrees. Also, we can relate intersecting line into object by this example like scissors. Look at that. They have the common point, the railroad crossing. Another one is the perpendicular lines are line intersecting lines and form right angle. Can you see that? The last one, perpendicular lines are lines intersecting lines and form right angle. Look at the kite. Look at that line and look at that square, 90 degree. Can you see that on that corner? Another example is the window. Look at that line. And also, there is the 90 degree on that corner. Those are the example for perpendicular lines. Now, it's your turn for activity A. But before that, I'll give you an example. Look at the instruction. Match column A units to column B by connecting. What will be the answer? Do you know the answer? Yes, you're right. The answer is parallel lines. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. It's your turn. Time is for number 3, number 4, and number 5. I'll give you another 10 seconds. Let's find out your answer. For number 1, parallel lines. For number 2, intersecting lines. For number 3, perpendicular lines. For number 4, another intersecting lines. And number 5, another parallel lines. Very good. Let's proceed for activity B. Instruction: illustrate given object in each number that shows parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. Example: parallel line, pedestrian lane. Look at the picture. Let's proceed for activity B. Instruction. Illustrate the given object in each number that shows parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular line. Number 1. Parallel lines in a table. I'll give you 10 seconds. Time is up. Let's check your answer. Can you see that line? Very good. Next, number 2, intersecting line in a cross. I'll give you another 10 seconds. Let's check your answer. Yes, you're right. Look at the line. Very good. Let's proceed for number 3, perpendicular line in a blackboard. I give you another 10 seconds. Time's up. Let me check your work. Yes, that's the blackboard. Look at the line. Can you see that red line? Very good. Now let's proceed for number 4, parallel lines in a fence. I give you another 10 seconds. Let's check your answer. Number 4, let's review your answer. Parallel line in a fence. Look at that. Look at the line. Very good. You can proceed to the next activity. Activity C, study the figure, answer the questions below. What are the intersecting lines? Look at the figure. Let's check your answer. Line DE and line CJ. Very good. You got the correct answer. Another one, line DE and also line AG. Those are examples of intersecting line. Let's proceed to the next question. Number 2. Which lines are parallel? Look at. Let's check your work. Line BH and line JF. That's our example of parallel line. Another one. Line AG and line CI. Parallel lines. Now, let's proceed for number 3. Which lines are perpendicular? Study the figure. Another 10 seconds. Ready, kids? Time is up. Let's check your answer. Look at the figure. Line CI and also line BH. Very good. You got the correct answer. Another one. Line AG and line JF. Congratulations! You are now ready for the next topic.